Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use the location feature inside QuickBooks Online. If you track income or expenses across different stores, regions, or departments, yeah, this tool makes it super easy. So let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure the location feature is turned on. QuickBooks hides it by default, so don't worry if you haven't seen it yet. Now head over to the Advanced tab. Scroll a little until you find a section called Categories. Here you'll see the option to track locations. Just switch it on and choose how you want to use them. Usually one per transaction works great. All right, with the feature on, we can add our actual locations. This part's pretty quick. Click New, give the location a clear name like Downtown Store or Online Sales, and then save it. You can add as many as you need. Maybe you have departments, warehouses, or different regions. So now, when you create an invoice, an expense, or even a sales receipt, you'll notice a new drop-down for location. Just pick the right one each time. I mean, it only takes a second, but it keeps your reporting super clean. And yeah, well, the whole point of using locations is the reporting. Go to the Reports tab and search for profit and loss by location. That'll give you a breakdown of how each area is performing. And that's basically it. Once you turn this feature on and start using it in your transactions, QuickBooks does the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more QuickBooks tips like this, feel free to check out the other guides.